ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम् वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अल्पाक्षरं संदिग्धं सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
उक्तानुक्तदुरुक्तानां चिन्ता यत्र प्रवर्तते
उक्तानुक्तदुरुक्तानां चिन्ता यत्र प्रवर्तते
तं ग्रन्थं वार्षिकं प्राहुः वार्तिकज्ञामनीषिणः।
ग्रन्थं वार्तिकं प्राहुः वार्तिकज्ञामनीष्णः
प्रत्यया शिवसूत्राणि आदेशा आगमस्तथा
प्रत्यया शिवसूत्राणि आदेश आगमस्तथा
धातुपाठो गणपाठ उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः।
धातुपाठो गणपाठ उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः
अथ तृतीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः।
तृतीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः
कृत्याः
कृत्याः
तव्यत्तव्यानीयरः
तव्यत्तव्यानीयरः
वसेस्तव्यत्कर्तरि निच्च
रसेस्तव्यत्कर्तरि निर्च
अचो यत्
चोयत्
तकिशसि व्यतियति जनिभ्यो यद्वाच्यः
प्रकीशसि व्यतीयति जनिभ्यो यत् वाच्यः
अनो वा तद्वदश्चेति वक्तव्यम्।
को वा तत्पदश्चेति वक्तव्यम्
पोरधुपधात्
पुरादुपदात्
शकिसहोश्च
इति सहोश्च
गदमदचर्यमश्चानुपसर्गे
गदमदचरयमश्चानुपसर्गे
चरेराङ्गिचा गुरौ सुप्च वा आश्चर्यम् आचर्यम्
शरीरङ्गी चागुरो सुख च वा आश्चर्यम् आचर्यम्
अवद्यपन्यवर्या गर्ग्यपणितव्या निरोधेषु
अवद्यपण्यवर्या गार्ह्यपणितव्या निरोधेषु
अर्यस्वामि वैश्ययो वघ्यं करणम्
वयं करणम्
अर्यस्वामि वैश्ययोः
हर्यस्वामि वैश्वर्योः
उपसर्या काल्या प्रजने
उपसर्या काल्या प्रजने
अजर्यं सङ्गतम्
आचार्यं सङ्गतम्
वदस्सुपिक्यप्च
तदस्सुपि क्यप्च
भुवो भावे
भो भावे
हनस्त च
नस्त च
एतिस्तु शास्वृधृजुषक्यप्
इति स्तु शास्वृद्धजुषः क्यप्
ऋदुपधाच्छाक्लपीक्षतेः
ऋतुपद्धाच्छाक्लिप्च्छ्रेप्तेः
ईचकनः
ये च कनः
भृङ्यो संज्ञायाम्
संज्ञायां
मृजेर्विभाषा
मृजेर्विभाषा
राजसूय सूर्यमृषोद्यरुच्य कुप्यकृष्टपच्या व्यथ्याः
सूर्यमृषोध्य रुच्यकूप्य कुष्ठपचा व्यथ्याः
विद्योद्भ्यो नदे
विद्योद्याौनधे
पुष्यसिद्भ्यो नक्षत्रे
उषसिद्ध्यौ नक्षत्रे
विपूय विनीयचित्य मुञ्जकल्कहलिषु
विपूय विनीय जित्या युञ्ज कल्कहलिषु
प्रत्यपिभ्यां ग्रहेश्छन्दसि
प्रत्यपिभ्यां ग्रहिच्छन्दसि
पदास्वैरिभाग्या पक्ष्येषु च
पदा स्वैरिबाह्यापक्ष्येषु च
विभाषाकृवृषोः
भाषाकृ वृषोः
युग्यं च पत्रे
युग्यं च पत्रे
अमावस्यदनितरस्याम्
मावस्य दनुत्यरस्यां
छन्दसि निष्ठर्क्य देवहूय प्रणीयोन्नीयोचिष्य मर्यस्तर्याध्वर्यकन्यकान्यदेवयुज्या पृच्छ्य प्रतिशीव्य ब्रह्मवाद्यभाव्यस्ताव्योपचाय्य प्रणानि
छन्दसि निष्टकार्य देवहूय प्रणीयोन्नीयोच्छिष्य मार्यस्तार्याध्वर्य खान्य देवयज्ञा पृच्छय प्रतिषिव्य ब्रह्मवाद्यभाव्यस्ताव्योपचाय्य प्रीडानि
ऋअलोऽन्यत्
खलोऽन्यत्
होरावश्यके
होरावश्यके
आसुयुवपि लपित्रपि चमश्च
आसो योऽपि रविरपित्रपि चमश्च
आनय्यो नित्ये
आनायो नित्ये
प्रणाय्यो सम्मतौ
प्राणायो सम्मतौ
आयसान्नाय्य निकाय दाय्यामानहविर्निवास सामिधेनीषु
वायनाय निकाय धाय मानहविर्निर्वास सामिधिनेषु
क्रतौ कुण्डपाय सञ्चायौ
रतौ डपाय सञ्छायौ
अग्नौ परिचायोपचाय्य सम्मुख्याः
अग्नौ परिच्छायोपचाय समूह्याः
चित्याग्निचित्ये च
इत्याग्निचित्ये च
नुल्तृचौ
नुतृचौ
झोन्तः
जुण्टः
अदभ्यस्तात्
अभ्यस्तात्
आत्मनेपदेषु अनतः
आत्मनेपदेशनतः
अचोन्त्यादिति.
चौन्त्यादिर्टि.
Up to that we are saying, right?
Yes.
टित आत्मनेपदानां तेरे
ईट आत्मनिपदानां तेरे
तासस्से
आसस्से
आतो नितः
आतो नीतः
लोपोर्व्यलि लोपोर्व्योवलि
लोपोर्व्यो वलि
अतो दीर्घो यङि
अतो दीर्घो ज्ञनि
नित्यं नितः
नित्यं नीतः
इतश्च
तश्च
तस्थस्तमिपां तां तन्तामः.
तस्थ तस्थस्थमिपां तां तामः.
Yes. लुङ् लङ् ऋङ्क्षु अट् उदातः
लुङ् लङ् लुङ्क्षु अट् उदात्तः
आडजादीनाम्
आडाजादीनाम्
आटश्च
आटश्च
नमाङ्योगे
माङ्योगे
नम माङ्गी लुङ्
आङ्लुम्
स्मोत्तरे लङ् च
कोतरे लङ् च
up to lung lakara. After that load starts. Yontah Sutram says Jakara of the Pratyas, that is in two places. In Atmane Padaprataya Pratam Purusha Bhagavachanam G, and in Parasme Padaprataya it is Pratam Purusha Bhagavachanam J. Will be replaced by Ant. Jakara will be replaced by Ant. It's Utsarga. General rule. And there are two apavadas. The Jakara following the Abhyasta will be replaced by At, not Ant, Attabhyastat. Similarly, for Atmane Pade following Anadantanga, other than 14610, there also Jakara will be replaced by At, right?
Yes.
We are saying. Then Achontyaditi, Sanya Sutram, what is Sakti? Starting from the last H of a word up to the end. The end letter could be H also. Or it could be a consonant also. So start from the last H up to the end of the Shabda. It is T. Achontyaditi. Now Titaha Atme Padanam Tere. How many Tit Lakaras are there? Titaha means Tit Lakaras.
Yes. 6.
Titaha. It is Shashti Vakti Ekavachan. Visarga gone. Visandhi. Titaha Atmane Padanam Tere. Sorry. Here Titaha is Visarga is. What Vibhakti Titaha? Titaha
Shashti.
must be Shashti Bhakti. Pradipadikam?
Tit.
Tit. Like Marut.
Yes.
So Tit Lakaras. Of the Tit Lakaras. Atmane Pada Pratyas. Atmane Pada Pratyas of the Tit Lakaras. Atmane Padanam, that is also Shashti. So Titaha Atmane Padanam means T letter of the Atmane Pada Pratyas. Right? But sorry, Titlakaras. Atmane Pada Pratyas of the Titlakara. That is not a Sthani here. Yet Sthani is Tehe Ye. T letter of the Titlakaras of the Atmane Pada Pratyaya will be replaced by Ye. So Tehe is the Sthani. Pratipadikam is T. That is why Achontya, the T introduced first. So T will be replaced by Adesha Ye. For which Lakara? For which
Titla.
Lakara? What are the Titlakaras? How many Titlakaras are there?
6.
Yes. Let, load, lit, lut,
Lit.
Lit and late. So these 6 tit lakaras, Atmanepada Pratyas of these lakaras, right? The T letter of the Atmanepada Pratyas of these lakaras will be replaced by ye. Atmanepada Pratyas can be referred to by the Pratyahara tang. Tang we have seen Tangano Atmanepadam, remember?
Yes.
Laha Parasmai
Padam.
Padam Tanganeshu Atmanepadam Sanya Sutram. Tang referring to ta atam jat ha satam dum it vagi maging.
Yes.
That Atmanepada Pratyas for the tit lakaras, for 6 lakaras, will be replaced by ye. Okay. So example here, Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam, Ed Dhatu, Atmanepada Dhatu, first conjugation, Ed plus ta, Kattari Sarodhatuke Shap will come, and Ed is the Anga for Shap, Ed plus Shap is the Anga for ta. Shap cannot do any Anga Karya, even though it is Sarodhatuka Pit, because palantimate is not equilateral, that's why and here also it is not equilateral, Iganta, therefore just to join Eda plus ta. Now this is a tit lakara, we are doing lat lakara. So what is the T letter of the pratyaya, Atmanepada pratyaya, ta, a? Replace a by a. Therefore, edate. This we can do in the very beginning itself, the pratyayas we can make it and keep it ready. We can add to the dhatu and make the form, right?
Yes.
That is what we have done, and we chant also. That is what we do. These are the original pratyayas. Sipta, si, sipta, samit, pasmasta, tam, jamta, satam, damit, vagi, maging. For the latlakara, parasmai paridhatus, these are the pratyayas. These will not undergo any change. For latlakara, because lat is a tit lakara, for atmanepada pratyayas, atmanepadi dhatus, these atmanepada pratyayas, for tit lakara, T letter will be replaced by ye. Therefore, here T letter in ta is a is replaced by ye. Therefore, you have a, ate, jakara, jontaha will apply, and a is there in ja, that will be replaced by T letter, a, ante, right? Is it clear?
Yes.
But tasaha will be replaced by say, for that we have separate sutram, we will see. That is the next sutram. Atam, ate, dvam, dve, it will be replaced by ye. Vahi, e is T letter, last letter, e replaced by ye, vahe, similarly mahe. Understand?
Yes.
So that is what is here. Te, ate, ante, se, ate, dve, ye, vahe, mahe, right? Understand? So now next one is tasaha, next sutra. Tasaha say. What is tasaha? What is vibhakti of tasaha?
Shishti.
Pradipadikam is tas, right?
Yes.
Like Marut Shabda. So tasaha, stane, say. Here also, ekaranta, that vibhakti pratyaya is not given. Lupta, it is gone. That is Panini Maharshi did not give any vibhakti pratyaya. He said vibhakti pratyaya is gone. Say. Tas will be replaced by say. Say is the adesha. What type of adesha? Anekala adesha.
Yes.
Therefore, entire tas will be replaced by say, not the last letter of the this tani, tas. Understand?
Yes.
The entire shabda, tas, that will be replaced by ye. Anekalshit sarvasya. For what? For tit lakaras. 3, 4, 80. Previous sutram was 3,4,79. From this sutra, what goes as anuvritti? Titaha atmane padanam. Goes as anuvritti for the next sutra. 3,479 to 3,480. Therefore, titaha atmane padanam. Tas will be replaced by ye. That's a root rule. Understand?
Yes.
So, tas will not be replaced by ye. Tas will be replaced by se. That is why specifically the sutram is given. You can see. Three, 479 titaha atmane padanam tere. And for tasaha say 3,480. Anuvritti is that, right?
Yes.
Therefore, what happens for titlakaras? Titlakar tas will be replaced by ye, say, not just ye. Tas will be replaced by ye. Okay.
Yes.
Therefore, we get te ite ante, se ite dve, ye bhe mahe for latlakara. That's what we memorize. Te ate ante, se ate dve, ye bhe mahe. Right?
Yes.
So, apane pada pratyas all we have got. Parasmay pada pratyas same for latlakara. What is given? I mean, that is derived from tiptasi. Takara is italatar. Pakara is italatar. Sorry. Therefore, titaha anti sitaha ta mi vaha maha. Similarly, here te ate ante se ate dve ye vahe mahe. You get the latlakaras, right? Corresponding latlakara pratyas we get by applying these sutras. Is it clear?
Yes.
So, tita atmane padanam tere and tasaha se. Okay. Oh. Please see. तासः से तास् इति आत्मने पदस्य मध्यम पुरुष वचनस्य मध्यम पुरुष एकवचनस्य तत्तयः तास् इस प्रत्यय तितः लकारस्य for tit lakaras यह तास् that which is तास् that will be replaced by say तास् will be replaced by say the तास् which has come in the place of tit lakara will be replaced by say for atmanepada pratyas, of course. Okay. Say is anekal adesha, therefore by the paribhasha anekal sitsavasya tas, entire tas is removed, is replaced by say. That is why we have edase, pachase, pachishe, paktase, pakshase, right? Edase, pachase, latlakara, atmanepadi. Pechishe is vichlakara, litlakara, atmanepadi. Paktase, lutlakara, pakshase, chuchotens. Okay. So say, because all the lakaras say. That's why say. All the lakaras are tit lakara. That is why tas is replaced by say. Let us take example. Vandadhatu. Vandadhatu, atmanepadi dhatu. Now vanda plus tas. What will happen? Tas is what pratyaya? Tas will be, it's a sarvadhatuka pratyaya. Right? So tas we can replace by say. When it is replaced by say, what is say? When tas is replaced by say, what is say?
Say is adesha.
Yeah, say adesha. Adesha, what is that? I mean, tas is replaced by say. Say is sarvadhatuka pratyaya. When a sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows, shap will come. Yes or no?
Yes.
Then you have to see Angakarya possibility. It will not happen. Vanda plus A plus se. Vanda plus is Vanda. Vanda plus se. Vanda se. Right? That's how we get Labha se, Vanda se, all those Pacha se, etc. Similarly, this is Lut Lakara. I said by mistake Lit Lakara. Lut Lakara. Yes, I was thinking about that. Lut, not Lit. Lit will be different. Papachar, Pechutahu, Pechuhu, Nallatosus, Tal. So that will be different. Madhyama Purusha, Ekavacham will be different for Lit Lakara. This is Lut Lakara. Pechishe. Lut Lakara we know. Lut Lakara, Anadetane, sorry, 1 minute. Yeah, Lut Lakara. Yeah, Atmanepada Pratyaya. Okay. Yes. Atmanepada Pratyaya, Lut Lakara, it will be formed. Lut Lakara follows, Tas will be the Pratyaya. What will happen to Tas? Tas is Sadhatuka Pratyaya, Itagama will come. I think I taught you Lut Lakara before. Remember? Simplest Lakara, Lut Lakara. For Parasmay Pada, I taught you. Atmanay Pada, we have not done. It's not a problem. Just an example only. We will see later when we come to Lut Lakara. Lut Lakara, in fact, very simple. I have taught you. Remember, Kudatu, Karta, Kartaro, Kartaraha. Remember, Kartasi, Kartaro, like that. Kartastaha, Kartasmi, Kartasva, Kartasma. Lut Lakara already we have seen. Remember,
Yes.
it's okay. Even if you don't remember any Lut Lakara, we are going to see. So, Lut Lakara, there's a Pechishe. In Lit Lakara, it will be Papacha, Pechitahu, Pechahu, Pechita. Here, Pechishe. Pechishe is not Lut Lakara. It must be Pechishe. Almeda. Pechishe. Pechishe is Lut Lakara. Lit Lakara. Here, Pachishe. Pachishe is. Sorry, 1 minute. There's a mistake here. It is not. It is not Lut. It is not Lit. Some mistake has corrupted. Lut Lakara will be for Prathama Pakta, Paktaro, Paktaraha, Paktase or Paktase will be there. Okay, Lut Lakara. So form will be not this is wrong. Lut Lakara may be correct. Okay, sorry. This is Anadyatane Lutiti, Lut Lakara. Form is wrong. I'll correct the form. How will Pechishe will come? Not Pechishe. Here, Tas is replaced by say. We don't know the full thing. It's okay. So what happens when Tes follows? Then say the Pratyaya follows. See, Pach plus Tas plus Lut Lakara. Lut Lakara is Ardhatuka Lakara. So when Lakara follows, there is no Gana Vikarna. It is a Vikarna Pratyaya. Tas comes in between after the Dhatu. Tas comes. Okay. So Pach plus Tas plus Ta. And what happens? This is Sadhatuka Pratyaya. Itagama comes. Therefore, it plus Tas. And we are doing Madhyama Purusha, therefore Lut is replaced by corresponding Pratyaya Tas. Right? Tas will be replaced by being Titlakara, Tas will be replaced by Se. Tas will be replaced by Se. That is what we are interested. Atmanepada Pratyaya, Tas is replaced by Se for Titlakara. Here Lut Lakara we are doing. So Pach plus Itas plus Se. Right? Okay. Now, Here, Setasi, little Togo. Okay. And the Dhatu is Anit Dhatu, I think. Dhatu is Anit Dhatu. Therefore, Itagama will not come. Okay, so, this is wrong. Dhatu, Pach Dhatu is Anit Dhatu. That is why we have Pakta. Therefore, no Itagama. 3, 4, 78, then 3, 4, 80, replaced by. So we have Pach plus Tas plus Se. See, we are interested only this for Titalakara, Tas is replaced by Se. That is only we are interested. Other things, all incidental. We are not interested in that. So Pach plus Tas plus Se, then what will happen? Tas is here, Satyor Lopaha. That is by 7450. Yes. 7450. Here the Tas is there. The tasasya sakarasya lopaha bhavati. Tas pratyasya, when sakara follows, tas pratyasya kim bhavati? Sakare pare. Tas pratyasya, when sakara follows, lopaha bhavati. What becomes lopaha? Angasya lopaha bhavati. Angasya sakara pare tas pratyasya lopaha. Angasya lopaha. Angasya what will become lopaha? The question comes. That is, it says stars. 1 minute. I have to switch on my Araha. Finally, we have Paktase. Tasasya, Sakarasya, Antima Varnasya. This will, Tas when followed by Sakara will become Lopaha when we say. So, Tas Pratyasya, Sakarasya, Lopaha Bhavati. Okay, Alontyasya by that Paribhasha. So, the last letter, Sakara will become Lopaha by 7450. Therefore, you have this. Then we can apply Pachdatu, Ta, Se. We can apply Chakara, Takara. What will happen? Kutvam, Chogo, Kuhu. Remember? 8 to 30, I think. Applies. This is Se. Okay. Now we have Pakta plus Se, Pakta Se. So Lut Lakara, the form is. After that, nothing happens, huh? It is the curl letter. This will be replaced by Char. Already Char is there. But anyway, you have to apply for the sake of applying. You can apply Karicha. Karicha number is 8455. I think so.
Yes.
So Karicha will apply. So Pakta Se, that is the final form. Lut Lakara. So here, Lut being a Tit Lakara, Tas is replaced by Se. That is the example. We can give for all the Lakara. We are not interested because we don't know many things. The other sutras which come in between. So this is enough. Even if you know for Lat Lakara, that is enough. Okay. So Lat Lakara, one example we have done. The Tit Lakara, Atmanepada Pratyaya Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam, Tas will be replaced by Se. Similarly, Lut Lakara, Anadhyantare Lut by the Sutra, Dhataho Paraha Lut Pratyaya Bhavati, and corresponding to Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam, Tas Pratyaya is 3478. What is 3478? 3480 says Tas will be replaced by Se. Right? 3480 says Tas will be replaced by Se. And 3468 says, 3478 says, 3478 is Tiptasti, Siptasta, Bipasmas. So corresponding to Madhyama Purusha, Ekavachana Pratyaya, Atmanepada Pratyaya is Tas. The Tas will be replaced by Se for Titlakaras. This being a Lut Lakara, Titlakara, Se. Then by this sutra 7450 we have not seen. Don't worry about that. Then sakara is followed by sakara. The sakara which is here, no, that angasya, antyasya, varnasya, lopaha bhavati, alontyasya. By that sakara will drop. Then kutvam, then we have paktase iti rupam. So titlakara rupam, paktase. Simple lakara is titlakara. Anadyatane lut. Okay. So with this, titlakara, that is, we have almost done for latlakara. We are to start with the among the six titlakara and 4 gitalakaras. So total 6 plus 4, 10. Exclude the late lakara. Late lakara we are not interested. I'm including Ashirling as one more. That's why 10 lakaras. For the 10 lakaras, we are interested in lat, lang, lot, ling. Only these 4 lakaras we are interested to start with. Other lakaras we will see later. These 4 are sarvadhatuka lakara. Among these 4 the lakaras, lat, tit lakara. Lat, lang, nit lakara. Lot, tit lakara. Ling, nit lakara. 2 tit lakaras and 2 git lakaras. So it is enough for us to know to start with tit lakara, 2 tit lakaras and 2 git lakaras. That is 4 sarvadhatuka lakaras, lat, lang, lot, ling. So lat lakara, whatever the pratyas required, we have formed. If you know this sutra, jontaha, then atmane padanam tere, tasahase. These 3 sutras. By that, we get the forms of lat lakara. Do you understand?
Yes.
We get this. Titahanti, Sitahata, Nivahamaha, same from the original pratyaya. Only Padanta Sakara becoming Ru becoming Repa Visarga, that is given. And Jontaha, by that sutra we get Anti, this is 1 for Latlakara. Then for Atmanepada pratyaya, Titaha Atmanepadanam Tere, by that T letters are replaced by A, that is number 1. And for Madhyama Purusha, Tas is replaced by Se, number 2. And Jontaha, that also, there also, Titaha Atmane Padanam Tere. By that, Jakara replaced by Ant, that is one thing. And Ye, last letter, T letter is replaced by Ye. So here also 3. So Jontaha here also Jontaha, and Titaha Atmane Padanam Tere, then Tasaha Se. So in Parasmai Pada, we have 1 sutra for Titlakaras, Jontaha. For Atmane Pada Pratyas, 3 sutras. Jontaha, Titaha Atmane Padanam Tere, and Tasahase. By that, we get the forms of these pratyas. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes. So, Latlakara only this. Lotlakara, we will see. Lotlakara, many things will happen. That we will see after Lang Lakara, because most of the things are common to Lang Lakara. So, if you know this Lakara to start with, it's enough for us. Lat and Lot. Lot we will see later. Lat. So therefore, lat lakara, we are saying vandate, vandase. That is the example. Tasaha se. Next sutra. Ato ngitaha. What is ngitaha? You can guess at least. What is ngitaha?
Nit.
Itaha is titlakara. Ngitaha would be titaha titlakara. And ngitaha is
About the nit lakaras.
titlakara. See, how will titaha is titlakara? What is that? Titaha tit. Here, titaha atmane padanam tere. What is titaha? Titaha is takara. Is it
Yes.
in which lakara? That is tit, right?
Yes.
Similarly, ato ngitaha. Here ngit, nakara is it in which? That is nit lakara. It's a Bahuri samasa. Nakara plus it. Nakara is it in which? That is called Ngit. Ngitaha, Shashti Vibhakti.
Yes.
Ngit lakaras, how many are there? 4. Among the 4, what are we interested? We are interested only Lang and Ling. Other lakaras, example also, if it is easy, we will see. Among the 4 sarvadhatuka lakaras, Lat, Lot, 2 teeth lakaras, Lang and Ling, with Ling. 2 Ngit lakaras. Now here he says, Ataha Ngitaha. What is Ataha?
Longer only.
Ataha is Pratipadikam is At, like Marut Shabda. Marutaha, Ataha means what?
This is
At is a Pratipadikam. Shashti Vibhakti of At is Ataha. Right?
okay.
The Vritti Akara is, it is not Akara, okay. Akara is something else. Here Akara. So Ataha Ngitaha, Ataha here, all these are Anuvritti. Now we have to see 7 to 81. 7 to under which Adhikara? 7 to under which Adhikara? Angasya is important, don't forget that. Angasya 641 Angasya Adhikara. Right? Don't forget. So Angasya Ataha for Nit lakaras Ataha and we have Anuvritti, please see. Ato Ye Yaha, these 2 words coming as Anuvritti here. Ataha is what Vibhakti? Panchami. Ataha here is Shashti. And what is Yeyaha? Please note Yeyaha is what? Yeyaha is, I have split and given here. Please see. Yeyaha is that is you have to split. Yeyaha is Yakara plus Yaha. Yakara plus Yaha. Yeyaha. What is that? Yeyaha is Ato Nitaha. For Akara Nitalakarasya Akara Yeyaha. Yeah. Ataha Yeyaha. Ato Yeyaha. One minute. Akarasya. Okay. In the sutra, not here, I tell you that Yeyaha coming as which is Anuvritti from the previous sutra, that is different actually. Yes, here the Yeyaha is there, right? The Yeyaha that it's not Yeyaha, this is a Sandhya has happened. Here Sandhya has happened. It is Ya plus Yaha. Yeyaha is, you will not understand now, later we'll see. Ya plus Yaha. Ya plus Yaha, what Sandhi? Ya plus Yaha, what will happen? A plus E. A plus E, what's Sandhi? Ye. That's what happened. Ye Yaha is. The previous sutra, that is for the Ling Lakara. That is Lingaha Salopa. This is Sarvadhatike coming as Anuvritti. And this is for the Ling Lakara. For the Ling Lakara, that Ataha is Avarna. Avarna followed by the Sarvadhataka Pratyaya, Ling Pratyaya. That is Sarvadhataka Ling means it is Vidiling, not Ashiling. That ya is there, ya will be replaced by ya. That is what the sutra. Ato yaha, we are not interested in that. Don't worry about that. But yaha is just note that it is ya plus yaha. That is what yaha. We don't require that for this sutra. We don't require ya as anuvritti. We require only yaha. We require only yaha. So that is why we have to know the previous sutra. Yaha is ya plus yaha. Please note. I'll write here. From the previous sutra, yaha it is. How yaha comes as anuvritti? In the previous sutra, we don't have yaha, you may ask. It is ya plus yaha will become ye yaha. Ya is ya. In the previous sutra, ya is there. Akara of ya will be replaced by ya for vidiling. It is the previous sutra it is given. But our sutra, we don't require that. Ling lakara pratyaya, where ya is there, that ya will be replaced by ya. That is for the previous sutra. I will explain so that will be clear. Now you see the ling lakara. There, yes, we are interested in seeing the Ato Nitaha Sutra, but anyway, ling lakara you can see. Ling lakara pratyaya is, here it is. Ling lakara pratyaya. So, sorry. Here we have E is there, no?
Yes.
Actually, this E it is there. Actually, originally it is Yat. In fact, it is not Eat. It is Yat. Similarly for everywhere, Yat, Yatam, like that. But what happens is for Ling Lakara, the Ya is replaced by Ya. You can take Rasva or Dirga. I have taken Dirga so that it is uniform for all. It's okay. You can take anything, it's no problem because Iya or Iya both are same. Okay, Iya. Then Takara. Then this Yakara, which is there by another sutra, Lopaha Vyorbali, we are going to see that. By that, this Yakara will go away. So Yat finally will become Eat. That is what is given in this sutra. It will be given here. That is what given here. Okay. This is for the previous sutra, not our sutra. Why I am saying this? Previous sutra, Yeyaha, from Yeyaha, that is Anuvritti of Yaha. That is what important, not this Ya. Ya is for Yeyaha. We need to understand Yeyaha you can split. You can understand Yeyaha as Ya plus Yaha. You can understand like that. So, Ya plus Yaha. What is the Anuvritti now? Ya plus Yaha when we say Anuvritti from the previous sutra is Yaha only. That Ya doesn't come as Anuvritti. Okay. Yaha alone coming as Anuvritti. So that is why we have to know what is this Yaha. Ataha coming as Anuvritti for this Sutra 81. And from the previous Sutra, Yaha also coming as Anuvritti. Ya doesn't come as Anuvritti. Ya is not required. Please note. From the previous Sutra, Yaha coming as Anuvritti and Ataha coming as Anuvritti. So Ataha, Yaha. Ato Nitaha, Ataha, Yaha. Now put together all the Anuvrittis and see the meaning of this Sutra. Then you will understand. So Ataha, Nitaha in the Sutra it is there. Ataha is Akaranta, At, Pradipadikam Ataha, Chashti Bhakti of At, Ataha, Akaranta, Nit Lakara, Shashti Bhakti. Ataha is Panchami. That is which is under the anga adhikara. Anga ending with akara. Ataha is panchami of at. Right? Anga ending with akara. Panchami. When followed by at, akara. The takara is for Ucharanartham. At is a Pradipadikam. At means a. So ataha is at meaning a. So anga ending with a when followed by a in the of the Nitalakaras, that a will be replaced by yaha when sarvadhatuke. When sarvadhatuke means sarvadhatuka pratyaya. Of the sarvadhatuka pratyaya of the Nitalakaras, that a is replaced by iya when it follows the anga ending with a. That is a meaning. I will go to the example and then come back and then see. It become easy. Now, pach plus atam. Where is this atam? You take see the pratyas.
Atam, ja.
We have the atam in atam where it is atam. Here we have lang lakara, ta atam ja. We have atam in the ta atam ja atmane pada pratyaya. Atam is there. Prathama purusha dvivachanam. Right?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
And we are talking about nit lakaras. Therefore, we don't require lat lakara. We want lang lakara. That's why I'm taking lang lakara this. Lang lakara, ta, atam, please see. Lang lakara pratyaya. Ta, atam, then by jonta, jakara replaced by ta, atam, ja, ta, atam, anta. Understand? Similarly,
Yeah.
tas, the taha, atam, dvam, e, vagi, maging. Atmane pada pratyaya for lang lakara, there is no much change at all. Right? Now take this atam pratyaya. Atam. What happens to atam? That is what we are going to see here. That atam becomes, within bracket I have written. What I have written? Itam. Itam happens for adantanga. Adantanga meaning? You know, what are adantangas? With regard to the sabdhatuka pratyayas.
1, 4, 6, 10.
Exactly. So for first conjugation, fourth conjugation, sixth conjugation, and 10th conjugation, the anga will be ending with akara with regard to the thing pratyayas. Now take the example of pachdhatu. Atam follows. What will happen now when followed by pachdhatu? Atam is sarvadhatuka pratyaya. And pachdhatu, first conjugation. Kartari is sarvadhatuke shap. Then we have shap. Right? And atam. Not atam. Yeah, let be atam. Now, what is the sutra? The sutra says we are going to do nit lakara. Nit lakara, what will happen? When attagama will come, that is we will do later. We are not interested. We are only interested in this sutra alone. Okay.
Yes.
We are interested only in this sutra. So in this, attagamanda later we will do. Pachdhatu plus lang lakara. If we lang lakara, if we do prathama purusha, dvivachanam. I'm just doing the example. Attagama will come, we know, right? Will come or not?
Yes.
Apachata, apachitam, apachan. That we are not interested now. I'm not doing that because that will come later. So corresponding to Prathama Purusha, Dvivachanam is Atam. This Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya follows. Shap will come. Kartari Sarvadhatuka Shap. We know 3168. Now, Pach plus Shap will become, any Angakarya possible? No. Therefore, just add. Pach plus Shap is Pacha. Pacha plus Atam, right?
Yes.
Now, the Anga ending with what letter?
Ah.
Now, see the sutra. Ataha coming as anuvrutti from the previous sutra. Anga ending with ataha meaning adanta anga, right?
Yes.
Adanta anga followed by what? Atam. Beginning with what letter? A. Akara of the Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya, right? Akara of the Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya following the Adantanga. This Akara will be replaced by Akara of the Nit Lakaras, not for any Lakara, right? That
Yes.
Akara will be replaced by Adantanga, right? Adantanga when followed by the Nit Pratyaya, Nit Lakara Pratyaya, and Pratyaya beginning with Ataha, that A will be replaced by Yaha. Yaha means, Yaha is not Panchami, it is Adesha. Don't see that, huh? It's all mistake. I'll correct it later. It's all, Yaha is Adesha. So now A will be replaced by what letter?
E.
E. So therefore, you'll have Iya, not E, Iya. E, Yakara. Yakara, which is there, next sutra by Lopaha Vyorvali, we will see that later. The Yakara will go away by the next sutra, 6166. We'll see that later. Therefore, you have Pacha plus Itam. Now join. What you get?
But it's Pach or Pacha?
Sorry, Pacha.
So Pachitam.
Pachetam. So we have Apachata, Alabata, Alabhetam. Right? Apachata, Apachetam. So you have Attakama also will come, Langlakara, A plus E, Gunasandhi, Apache, Apachetam. This is what the form. Attakama all the way it comes. I'm not written in the beginning. I'm writing now. That Attakama bit comes, that also by the sutra, we will see later. You understand? This Yakara is goes away by 6166 next sutra. That's what you're going to see. That's why that this I have not written completely because next sutra will continue. 6166. Lopaha Vyor Vali. Now see the step again. Understand the sutra clearly. Akara of the Nitalakaras of the Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya following the Anga ending with the Akara, that Akara will be replaced by Ya. So that's what Sutra says. If you don't bring Anuvritti, it will not become clear. Anuvritti also, we don't require Ya. Ya plus Yaha is Yaha. Previous Sutra. This Ya doesn't require. We want only Yaha. So Ataha is Adantat, Akarantat, Angat, Adanta Angat, Uttarasya, Ataha, Nitaha Ataha, Stane, Yaha Adeshaha Bhavati. And Ataha must be of Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya. That is also important. So now see the Vritti. Akarantat, Angat. This is what Ataha, and this is Angasya Adhigara, Panchami. Therefore, Adantat, Angat, Uttarasya following what? Akara of the Pratyaya. Akara Atam. A is an Avayava, a part of the Pratyaya. Akarasya, Nit Lakarasya, Avayavasya, Akarasya, and that should be of the Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya, which will get Adesha, Ya. Right? That is what the Sutra says. That is why here in this table, this I have written Itam. For Adantanga, it will be Itam. Which Pratyaya among these 9 plus 9, 18 Pratyas, which Pratyas beginning with Akara, only these two Pratyas,
Yes.
Atam and Atham. For this only the Sutra is given. Ato Nitaha. For the Pratyas which has Akara as the Avayava, and that Akara follows the Adantanga, that Akara will be replaced by Ya. And Yakara goes away by the next sutra. We'll see that later. That is how we get from atam we get itam. Atham will become itham. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes. This is for the lang lakara. Makes sense?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Here ate is there ate for adantanga, that we will see later. How a is replaced by here. But that sutra what we saw for ato nita nit lakaras. And this is lat lakara, tit lakara. That will come later. I think after this. Lopaha Yorvali. Or akara te ta atamanta. Titaha atmai padanam tere, that A will be. I think the sutra has not yet come. We have not yet seen. It will come later. Don't worry, we'll see that later. Or in case if you have missed it, I will add that later. For Titlakara also, that is that lakara, Atmanepada. For Adantanga, A is replaced by E. I is replaced by E. That is Sutram is there. What sutra? Ato nitaha. That pach plus tap plus pachate, pachete, pachante. 1 minute, sir. Same thing. Ato nitaha. I think same sutra only. Ato nitaha. So here it is. Okay. I think I took it the other way. It is nitaha is for nit lakara. No, not nit lakara. Nit pratyaya. Nit pratyayas. So please correct it. Here I have not written anywhere in my vritti. I have not written nit lakara. It's a nit pratyaya. Nit avayavasya sarvadhatukasya only. Not nit lakarasya. Nit lakara is different at 4 lakara. This is nit avayavasya. Nit avayavasya means the pratyaya which is a nit. So sarvadhatuka apit will be nit,
Yes.
right?
Deemed to be.
That,
Yes.
yeah. Therefore we can do latlakara also. Latlakara quickly I will do. With that I will stop. Pach plus Atmanepada. Pach plus latlakara. Atmanepada pratyaya. We can do Ekavachanam also. Sorry, Dvivachanam. Then what happens? I took it by mistake that Nita is Nit Lakara, not Nit Lakara. It is Nit Pratyaya. So Pach plus Pratyaya
Sure.
is Atam. Atam will come. Atam is Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya. What Pratyaya Sarvadhatuka? Nit Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya. Sarvadhatukam apit Nit. Therefore, when a Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya follows, Shap comes. Atam, right? Kartari Sarvadhatike Shap. After that, Pach plus Shap, no Angakarya possible. We can add Pach plus Shap is Pacha. Pacha plus Atam. What Lakara is a Tit Lakara. Therefore, Titaha Atmane Padanam Tere. By that, Am, which is there, which will be replaced by that Am, T letter. To be replaced by what letter?
A.
A. Therefore, At plus A, Ate. Pach plus Ate. Pacha plus Ate. Not Pach. Now, Anga ending with Akara. Followed by the Nit Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya beginning with A. Akara is the avayava of the Nit Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya. Following the Adantanga. Applying our sutra, current sutra. A will be replaced by Ya. Then Yakara by the next sutra, 6166, we will see tomorrow. That Yakara will become Lopaha. Therefore, you will have Pacha plus Ite. Therefore, you have Pachete. Pachate, Pachete, Pachante. Understand? Is it clear? We'll do more examples to become clear. So therefore, for tit lakaras also, lat lakara also, we have done all the forms. How ite comes, we know now. Akara of the pratyaya replaced by iya and yakara becomes lopaha, therefore ite. Understand? The same thing for lang lakara also. Atam becomes itham or itham. Okay, we'll stop here. We'll discuss next class. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Please note that Nit is not Nit Lakara, Nit Pratyaya. Because the previous Uttara Titaha was a Tit Lakara, so I thought Nitaha is not a Nit Lakara, but Nit Pratyaya. Of the Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya. The Sarvadhatuka also will undergo Vibhakti Parinama. Sarvadhatukasya Nit, Sarvadhatukasya Avayavasya Akarasya Iya Adeshaha Bhavati. That Iyaha, that Adesha will come in the place of Akara, that Akara which is following the Adanta Anga. It's a root. Okay. Please note this correction. धन्यवादः.
धन्यवादः.